Hello friends, today I want to do small haul of things I got in dollar store. I went to dollar store and let's make a small haul what I got at dollar store, because now it's a change of seasons and dollar store has some nice things for winter and fall, because now it's getting colder and I got sick too and I needed some medications which are cheaper at dollar store, so I went there, but not only for that. So let's start. First thing I got is this nice storage cube. I saw them also in Walmart because I had one, I think from Walmart, but not sure, maybe it's from dollar store. This one was a little more expensive than the dollar store one, because normally they are for $1, right? 25 cents. But this one was for $3. I put you where to put you. We can add some light. Maybe I put you So this cube is from dollar store for only $3. Let's open it. So it looks like this. It has nice gold design in front, and it has something like this that you can put on the bottom. And then this cube doesn't have a cover, but then if you want, you can put it on top too when you have cover. So yeah, I think I will replace one of my cubes here, because here's messy one. Yeah, and maybe I will get new one too, additional one. So yeah, this was cube. Then I got candies, a few of them, because this place is good for candies. I've got Twix, Milky Way, Baby Ruth. For now, that's what I've got. Then I got supplements, biotin, because that will be for my hair, because they seem not bad, but I tried Nutrafol, but it seems like it gives me stomach problems, so I decided I will try biotin, because Nutrafol has many ingredient biotin, but also other vitamins. When I've got this pain relief balm, because this is good for pain, like muscle aches, but I also use it here near nose when I have some cold. This one is strong one. It has 11% menthol and 11% camphor. So this one is strong, and I'm using it because see, this is my old one and I already have this much left. Then I saw on the shelf the Bible, Holy Bible, and now it's a good time to read Bible because Christmas coming, but not only during this time, of course. So I have some Bible, but it's more hard to read, maybe language issues, because I'm Polish and the Bible is in English and it's different, like old-time English, old version. Now we'll see, maybe this one is a little easier. Of course this one is also in English, but I like the format, there is light, you can highlight stuff easier. No, only $1.25. Next thing, oh, also candies, I got sneakers. Next thing I've got is cute hat, only $1.25. Snuggadoo, one size. This seems small, but I hope it fits. Unlike this, you can put. I look weird in hats, but when I need some hat in work, when it will be winter, that warehouse is called in Amazon when people wear hats. Also, I've got this kind. This is a little bit cute, bigger, little bigger, and $3. It has cute pom-pom. This one will be better, I think. Yeah, I think so. Fit better. Then I saw something like this, which would be good for neck. For neck, this is like scarf, but it's not like open, but it's like you put it over like this. See, I'm already sweating, so that will be like this. That's not bad. Cold winter, like so, and when cold over it. Oh, I was thinking also to wear it even in that Amazon, because in neck I'm always cold when it will be winter, not now. Oh, actually it's like this kind. A little bit twisted design, like here. Because I thought it's maybe not twist, but yeah, it's stuck. It's like twist in front. $3. Oh, it's so cute. If too hot, then it's just for outside. If too hot, for inside. But then I also found this kind of scarf, which is also very nice. Nice color, light gray. $1.25. Also, I thought I don't like these big scarves that are super wide and then you feel so heavy with heavy coat. So I like this kind. Also maybe for work. And the material is really, really soft. Then you have like this, and you can even cover here or make it twice like this. For example, in the Amazon too, like this. A little lighter version of this typical big scarves. So that can be good for work or in general, and it has cute hanger. And the same one but black. same kind. Then I got this cup. This was $5. Tumbler, stainless steel, and I already have one, the same one from Dollar General, I think, and different color, but I had a few colors, and I already taking that to work and putting hot chocolate inside, and it keeps it warm long time, and I can enjoy doing work. Really comfortable size, because I don't like these big ones, because actually they are too big. The 40 ounces ones, and this is also double wall, so when you hold it like this you don't feel any hotness. And then it has this nicely designed. Yeah, I already using one and it's really good. So that's what I've got. Also I've got another supplements, few medications. So I've got aspirin, as I like the kind from dollar store, and I've got glucosamine for joint health. Actually I got it from John, my boyfriend, because he complained on his joints. And 2 syrups, Tosin kinds, cough and chest congestion, $1.25, because they are kind of not bad and not expensive, and my other ones I still using, but I might run out. What else I've got? Also I've got gloves, because it's coming winter and I like this cute material, gray color will fit many coats. This is for outside, again the same brand, Snuggadoo. And I also got a few socks from them, so I got this kind, cozy socks. These ones are a little longer, so maybe good for outside. Pink label. I like the color combination and the fuzziness. And I've got this kind. These ones are shorter, I wore them at home because I have similars from last year, this kind. So I wore them at home. I put as a second pair of socks on me and then on slippers. And then my slippers don't have to be super warm because I have this cozy socks. And also I sleep in them too. Or you can wear them at home as slippers actually. Maybe not. Depends. If you have more warm home, then yes. I like the design. And another one's this kind with cats here. Cute cat. Yeah. So that's all what I've got in. Actually that was Family Dollar. I thought it's Dollar Store. Actually it was Dollar Store, but I think it's connected now in that place where I was. So it was Dollar Store and Family Dollar. And I recommend going there because some things are cheaper. And hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.